and maths sahaja. Alright? Okay. So first of all, in maths, what you guys must know is you have a lot of formulas that is given. Okay, kamu ada banyak rumus yang diberi. Okay, so actually total you guys got 44 formulas now. Okay, 44 rumus. Okay, so do you guys know that? Kamu semua tahu yang tu? You guys should know lah. Okay, now currently at maths 44 formulas 44 rumus. Kalau tahun 2021 and 2022, kalau tak silap. Okay, 2021 and 2022 is half. Okay, setengah daripada guys, can you see my screen? Some people say cannot. Yang lain boleh nampak kan? Arif, kamu check kod sebab yang lain boleh nampak. I think screen tak keluar lagi ataupun lag pada pihak kamu. Alright? Okay. So these are the 44 formulas. 44 rumus. Okay. So basically, if you guys don't remember a formula in maths, kalau kamu tak ingatlah sesuatu rumus. Contoh katakan guys, in maths, let's say you forget this formula. Kamu lupa. So what you should do? Just straight away refer the front. Okay, terus lihat depan saja. Jangan risau. If you guys forget the formula, always come back to your front page. Okay, but you must know that not all formulas are given. Okay, bukan semua rumus yang kamu belajar dalam maths adalah di sini. Okay, hanya 44 saja. Only 44. Okay, so any problem? Any question you guys want to ask me about these 44 formulas? Mungkin kamu ada apa-apa yang kamu tak sangat clear tentang 44 rumus ni yang kamu nak tanya? Any question you guys want to ask? No Okay, so we direct. Okay, and then this one also is given. Okay, yang ni pun akan diberi for you guys. Okay, the normal distribution table. Okay, jadual kebarangkalian normal. Okay, so you guys can also use this. Okay, so we direct come to the first question. Kita terus lihat soalan pertama. Okay guys, this first question is about your Form 4 Chapter 1. Am I right? Form 4 bab 1. Okay, so I prepare both also lah, BM, DLP. Senang untuk kamu semua. Okay, so for those take DLP, you see the top one. Kalau BM, kamu refer yang bawah. Okay? Alright, so the question is basically asking you find the value of K. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai K. Alright, so they say that X cannot equal to K. X tak boleh sama dengan K. Okay guys, so what is the concept here? May I know? Apa konsep kita boleh guna kat sini? Can anyone tell me? Apa rumus atau apa konsep? What is the concept here? Very good. Which one cannot be zero? Can you be more specific? Can you type out the equation? Cuba bagi persamaan saya guys. Macam mana boleh cari nilai K? Okay, they say that F has no solution. F tiada penyelesaian. Yes, the denominator. Correct. Okay, so you will let penyebut pecahan tu sama dengan kosong. This is the concept. Okay, because example guys, 1 over 0. May I know what's the answer guys? Kalau 1 bagi kosong, apa jawapan kamu dapat? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Cuba komen. What is the answer you have? 1 over 0. Anyone? Apa kamu akan kata? Yes. Okay, you will say maths error or you will say infinity. Okay, infinity maksudnya maths error lah. Okay, ataupun undefined. Tidak tertakwif. Okay, so that's why we have this equation. Kita ada persamaan ni. Okay, because we let the denominator equal to 0, then only the function have no solution. Okay, bila penyebut tu sama dengan kosong, kamu tak akan dapat penyelesaian. Okay, alright. So now you just need to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, selesaikan persamaan kuadratik ni saja. Alright. Okay, but now guys, boleh tak kita maintain soalan A1 ni dalam huruf X? Boleh ke tak? Can we maintain this equation in term of X? Yes or no? If you see the question, kalau kamu nampak soalan dengan betul-betul, boleh tak kita maintain dia sebagai X? Anyone? Cuba fikir. Can we maintain our equation as X? Yes or no? Siapa boleh bagi jawapan? Yes. Sorry. No. Tak boleh. Okay, tak boleh guys. Okay, why the answer cannot? Because you see the question, guys. Question asks you to find the value of K. Can you see here? Soalan suruh cari nilai K. Kalau kamu selesaikan persamaan ni, guys, kamu dapat nilai apa? Boleh saya tahu? What is the value you get if you solve this equation? Do you get X value or do you get K value? Which one? Kalau kamu guna persamaan ni, nilai X kan? Tapi soalan tanya nilai K. Okay, question ask K. So means that kamu kena tukar X ni jadi K. You must just change all the X become K. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, K square plus 7K minus 9 equals 0. X sama dengan K. Alright, so now you can solve. Sekarang kamu boleh selesaikan. Okay, because they already tell you. Lihat yang ni. X tak boleh sama dengan K. X cannot get K. So means that you can substitute X with K lah. Kamu boleh gantikan boleh ubah X tu dengan K. Alright? Okay guys. So may I know, this equation, can you factorize it? Adakah kamu dapat faktorkan persamaan ni? Yes or no? Cuba tekan calculator. Press your calculator. Okay, cannot right? Yes. So maksudnya kamu kena guna apa guys? What method do you use to solve the quadratic equation? Yes, you use the quadratic formula. Okay, guna rumus kuadratik saja. Sebab tak boleh buat pemfaktoran. Okay, so your A value is 1, B value is 7, C value is negative 9. Okay, selesaikan macam biasa. Okay, you just apply the formula. So your formula pun boleh rujuk ke depan. Okay, your formula is like this. Okay, so you just need to substitute. Gantikan semua nilai masuk saja. Okay, so then you will get this answer. Kamu akan dapat dua jawapan ni. Alright? Okay, so now, may I know why this value is ignored? Kenapa yang ni kita kena reject? Siapa boleh bagi justifikasi? You see the question guys. Lihat seluruh soalan. Kenapa nilai ni dia reject? Anyone? Why must reject? Kenapa kena tolak? Yes, very good. Okay guys, because soalan dah bagi keadaan. Okay, question already give you a condition guys. Okay, X kena lebih besar dari kosong. Maksudnya, K kena lebih besar dari kosong. Am I right? Okay, because X equal to K. X sama dengan K. Ini anggapan kita buat tadi. This is the assumption. So K kena lebih besar dari kosong. Okay, that's why nilai negatif kena reject lah. Okay, you just take the positive answer. Okay, can? Boleh faham soalan ni guys? 1A1? Boleh kan? So total you have 3 marks over here. Okay, 3 markah. Okay, so clear means we continue. Kalau tak ada apa-apa soalan, saya pergi soalan kedua saja. Okay, alright. So now, they ask you whether it has inverse function or not. Adakah dia mempunyai fungsi songsang? Okay, so they asking about fx lah. Mereka tanya pasal fungsi ni. Okay, so can anyone tell me, got inverse function or not? Anyone? Ada tak fungsi songsang? Okay, some more people? Yes or no? Ya atau tidak? Ada fungsi songsang ke tak? Fungsi ni. Okay guys, you must understand the concept of inverse function. Kamu kena faham konsep fungsi songsang. Okay, so when does inverse function exist? May I know? Bila fungsi songsang tu boleh wujud? Apa jenis fungsi yang boleh dikatakan sebagai fungsi songsang? Yes. Okay, only one-to-one relation can have inverse function. You must remember. Okay, hanya hubungan satu kepada satu saja ada fungsi songsang. It must be one-to-one only. So guys, you must check and see lah. Is this one-to-one? Kamu kena periksa. Okay, so how to periksa? You just need to substitute value. Gantikan nilai saja. Okay, you have your domain already. Kamu ada domain. X lebih besar dari kosong. Means that you can substitute. X is 1, X is 2, X is 3. Kamu boleh cubalah satu persatu. You try and see one by one. So guys, if you refer the function, will I have one object, one image? Yes or no? Adakah kamu akan ada satu objek, satu image? Kalau fungsi macam ni. Cuba kamu ganti nilai. You substitute X is 1. Tengok berapa nilai fx kamu ada. See how many fx value you have. Anyone? So do you think this is 1 to 1? Adakah fungsi ni 1 kepada 1? Kalau kamu fikirlah secara logik, just think logic guys, you will get the answer. You don't need to know how the graph look like. Kamu tak perlu tahu bentuk graph pun. You just need to see the equation logic. Okay, so what's your answer? 1 to 1 or not? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Okay, some more people? Lagi orang? Yes or no? Adakah fungsi ni 1 kepada 1? Is it a 1 to 1 function? More people. Yang lain? Yang lain tak tahu ke sama ada 1 to 1 atau tidak? Guys, don't worry. Your answer wrong doesn't matter. Okay, jawab saja. Don't worry. Jawapan betul atau salah jangan risau. Asalkan kamu cuba. Just try. Yes, is it? I got 12. Okay. Yes. Okay, the answer is yes, guys. Okay, jawapan ni, fungsi ni adalah fungsi songsang. Okay, it can have inverse function. Okay, why? Okay, because they say x greater than 0. So guys, bila x lebih besar dari kosong, adakah ada possible untuk nilai x negatif? Kamu bagi tahu saya. Tak ada kan? Don't have, right? So when your x is greater than 0, confirm you won't have negative value. So guys, whenever you have positive answer, the x value can only be 1. Am I right? Dia boleh hanya satu jenis nilai x saja. Okay, and then when you sub the x value inside this equation, is it you will have 2y value? Adakah kamu akan ada 2 nilai y? Kalau kamu gantikan contoh x sama dengan 3 dalam persamaan ni, will you have 2y value? Yes or no? Kamu bagi tahu saya. Tak ada kan? You won't have, right? Because this is a normal function, fungsi biasa. Okay, so whenever you substitute, let's say x is 3, you substitute and see. You count the answer. Gantikan dan kira jawapan. So you will actually get positive answer. Okay, kamu akan dapat nilai. Satu nilai saja. Only one answer. Okay, so you can try and see lah. Okay, just tekan calculator. So you will get, let me see. Okay, so your answer will get 0.57. 0.57. Okay, contohlah kalau kamu ganti x sama dengan 3. So guys, do you see you got only one y answer? Kamu ada satu jawapan y sahaja dan satu x sahaja. 1x, 1y. What is this type of relation? 1 to 1 relation. Am I right? Ini adalah hubungan 1 kepada 1, satu objek, satu image. Something like that. Okay, so that's why this function got inverse function. Ada fungsi songsang. Okay, so the reason is basically you say that the fx, the domain basically lies in the range of fx. Okay, kamu boleh kata domain bagi fx tu berada dalam julat bagi, the domain of inverse function lies in the range of fx. Okay, domain bagi fungsi songsang. Ini adalah negatif 1. Okay, fungsi songsang x berada di dalam julat fx. Boleh faham tak guys? Do you guys understand? Because you guys must remember, domain for inverse function is the range for normal function. Okay? Domain bagi fungsi songsang adalah julat untuk fungsi biasa. Kamu kena faham konsep tu. You must understand. Okay? So are you clear guys? For question 1A2, boleh dapat? Boleh komen sikit kalau faham? Do you guys understand? Come on. I need to see your still remember, kalau faham type number 1. Don't understand type 2. Faham type 1, tak faham type 2. Okay? All one, Okay, so continue. Okay, so now this question. Okay guys, this is the latest trend. 3 tu maksud apa? Guys, don't scare me, Don't have number 3, Okay, so now they ask you GNX. Okay, this is the latest trend for SPM. Okay, guys, do you all see this kind of question in trial? Kamu nampak kan macam ni? Am I right? Kalau kamu pernah cuba soalan trial 2024, kamu tahu. If you just try the latest question, you know this. So this is very popular now. Okay, so first step, they will give you something like this lah. They will give you a diagram. Okay, first step, you must actually find G square, G cube, G4. Kamu kena cari urutan dia. G kuasa 2, kuasa 3, kuasa 4. Okay, in this case, the question already tell you specific lah. Find G power 4x. Kadang-kadang soalan takkan bagi yang ni. The question won't ask this. Dia akan terus tanya yang ni. What is G and X? So you must know the step. Kamu kena cari G kuasa 1, 2, 3, 4. Supaya kamu boleh dapat pola. You get the pattern. Okay? Alright. So first of all, what is Gx, guys? May I know? What is the function that you guys get over here? Apa fungsi yang kamu boleh tulis dari soalan ni? Anyone? Try and see. What is the general formula you can get from here? Anyone? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Try and see. Jangan risau. Salah tak apa. Wrong doesn't matter. You try and see. What is the general function over here? Fungsi am. Kamu tak boleh bagi macam tu. Kamu kena bagi dalam rumus. Rumus yang am. Okay, general formula. Okay? Yes. Okay, the answer is 2 power x, guys. 2 kuasa x. Okay, so why is it 2 power x? Okay, guys. You see carefully, ya. X akan selalu pergi ke Gx. Am I right? Okay, X is object. Gx is image. Okay, so now 2 kuasa apa? Boleh dapat 1, guys. May I know? 2 power what? You can get number 1. 2 power 0. Am I right? Okay, 2 power 0, you will get number 1. Okay, and then 256. 256 adalah 2 kuasa 8. Am I right? So guys, do you see the relation? 0, 8. 0, 8. Tengok guys. Boleh nampak pola tak? Do you guys see the pattern? So the number on top there, kuasa dia tu mewakili object. Okay, the power represent your x. That's why you put x here. And then your base is 2. Asas 2. Okay, because 2 kuasa kosong dan 2 kuasa 8. Okay? Do you guys understand this? Boleh faham yang ni guys? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Macam mana dapat persamaan ni? Sometimes the question won't give you straight away the equation. You must know how to form the equation. Kamu kena tahu cara bentukan. Okay? Alright. So now, they ask you to find the conclusion of G and X. Okay? You have to deduce G and X. Okay, so how do we deduce? Okay, so very simple. If Gx equal to 2 power x, so may I know guys, first step they ask you to find G power 4x. So G power 4x is how much? Can anyone tell me? Apa nilai dia? Okay, so you have the information Gx equal to 2 power x. So may I know? G power 4x. Apa jawapan kamu? Come on. How much you get? Yang ni dia uji konsep index. Is testing you on indices concept, not function. This question I ask now. So anyone? What's the answer? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? You must think guys. Kamu kena fikir untuk dapat jawapan. So anyone? What will you get? This one. Cepat. Kalau tak tahu pun at least bagi jawapan yang logik. Give a logic answer. What do you think is this one? Complete I need complete answer. 2 power 2x. Bukan? Wrong? Cuba lagi sekali. Dah dekat dah. Very close. 16x. No. Wait. 16x you mean like this or like this? May I know? Which one is your answer? Twins. How do you mean it? Because when you type, it's a bit hard for me to see. Okay, correct. Very good. Okay, guys, the answer is 16 power x. Who don't know how I get this answer? Siapa tak tahu macam mana saya dapat jawapan ni? Cuba komen. Who don't know? Okay, I explain to you. Very simple. Sangat mudah. Jangan risau. Okay, guys. Gx kat sini. May I know what is the power of G? Dalam yang saya bulatkan tu. Apa kuasa bagi G? What is the power of G? Okay, Ahmad dah dapat konsep dah, correct? Yes. Okay, the original G is G power 1. Am I right? G power 1x is equal to Gx. Betul? Kamu boleh faham konsep ni kan? Index sahaja, indices. Like example, dalam algebra adakah kita tulis A kuasa 1 bila selesaikan guys? Do we write A power 1 when we solve algebra? No, right? Kita akan tulis dia sebagai A. Because we all understand, kita faham bahawa A itu adalah sama dengan A kuasa 1. So that's why kita hanya tulis A. Same concept. Gx kita tak tulis sebagai G kuasa 1x. Dia nampak sangat pelik. It look very weird. So we just write it as Gx. Same concept. A power 1 equal to A. Boleh faham? So now you have G power 4. So G power 4 mean 2 you must power 4. Okay, kalau kamu kuasa 4 belah kiri, belah kanan pun kena kuasa 4. You must power 4, left and right. Do you see how to get the answer? Boleh dapat? So you can also write this as 16 kuasa X. Same meaning. Okay, maksud sama sahaja. Alright? So do you all understand? Boleh faham? Okay, but it's better if you write it in base 2 lah. Dia lebih consistent. Okay, it's more consistent if you leave it in base 2. Okay, so now the question asks you G and X. So can anyone tell what is the answer for G and X? G kuasa N. So kamu ikut pola, follow the pattern. So what will be this answer? Can anyone tell? Very simple, sangat mudah. So anyone? Bagi tahu. What will you get? Yes, means you understand lah. So this is your answer lah guys. Itu jawapan dia. Do you guys get it? So this one, N means that the power is unknown. Kita tak tahu kuasa dia. So we just leave it as N. No need to sub any value. Tak perlu ganti apa-apa. Okay, so this is our final answer. Jawapan akhir. Okay, so this is how you solve it. Cara selesaikan. Okay, boleh? So dah habis soalan pertama. Already finished the first question. Okay, so you guys understand? Boleh faham soalan satu ni? One or two? Satu atau dua? So soalan satu ni fungsi lah, function. Okay, alright, continue. Okay, second one. So guys, come ready lah. You're proving. Am I right? Soalan buktikan dalam NMATS, kamu tak boleh lari lah. Okay, so make sure you guys know how to do the proving. Okay, 3 marks. Okay, so how do you start the proving? Macam mana boleh mula? Think and see guys. Cuba fikir. How should I start? This is the hardest part. Macam mana nak mula buktikan ni yang paling susah. But once you have the idea how to start, it's easy already. So can anyone tell me what is or how you start this one? Okay, so basically the concept is we will try to prove from the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, kita akan mula buktikan dari belah kiri ke belah kanan. Okay, so anyone, what will be your first step? Untuk yang tahulah untuk buat buktikan macam ni, what is your first step? N becomes Q, yes. Okay, this is the rule of adding new base. Kamu tambah asas baru. Okay, you remember this one, right guys? Log AB equal to log CB over log CA. This is the rule over here lah. Hukum sama. Huruf saja berbeza. Different letters only. Okay, so how do you prove it? Macam mana boleh buktikan? Okay, yes, very good. Okay, that is the first step guys. Okay, you must let X equal to log NM. Okay, always you must let something equal to the log. Okay, kamu kena katakan log tu sama dengan satu pemboleh ubah. Biasanya untuk buktikan macam ni. Okay, just remember this concept. Okay, so now if I want to convert my log form to index form, can anyone tell me what is the answer? Saya nak tukar bentuk log ni ke bentuk index. So apa saya dapat? What do I get over here? Can anyone tell the answer? So think and see. Macam mana tukar bentuk log ke bentuk index? So anyone? What do you get? You should get? Cepat. Jawapan. What's the answer guys? Convert this log form to index form. N power X. Yes, correct. Okay, N power X equal to M. Correct? Boleh faham kan? Macam mana saya buat? Okay, this is the concept. You convert log form to index form. Okay, so why you do like this? kenapa kena buat macam ni? Okay, so very simple. Every M that you see, you substitute with n power x. Okay, kamu gantikan setiap M kat sini dengan n kuasa x. That's all. Okay, so you can start to prove already. Kamu boleh mula. Okay, so now, if you have n power x equal to m, okay, let's say I want to add a log, guys. Saya nak tambah satu log kat sini. Okay, may I know, I will add log n or log m? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Asas log tu. Adakah saya akan guna asas n atau asas m bila tambah kat sini? What do you all think? Should I use log n or log q? Sorry. Asas n atau asas q? Yes. Okay, you should apply log base q. Correct. Okay, so why you apply log base q? Because you see the right hand side, you have something with q. Am I right? Okay, kamu ada satu yang berkaitan dengan q. So you just add log q lah. Okay, on both sides. Log q and x equal to log qm. Okay, now, guys, in log, bila kamu ada log, apa yang kamu boleh buat pada kuasa yang ni? What can you do to this power? Anyone? Kamu boleh buat apa bila kamu belajar log? Always when you have power on log, you can do what? Yes, bring in front, guys. Very good. Bawa ke depan saja, like this. Now, guys, do you see the answer is like coming already? Boleh nampak kan jawapan dia? So now you just need to find the x. Cari nilai x saja. Okay, so you just shift the log to the other side. Okay, so you'll get x equal to log qm over log qn. So guys, do you see? Exactly the same as your right hand side. Okay, 100% sama. Then left hand side, x tu apa, guys? X adalah yang ni. So just substitute lah. So you already get the answer. Dah dapat jawapan. Okay, gantikan x dengan log nm. Correct. Okay, do you guys understand? Senang kan? Soalan buktikan. Very short and very simple. You will get 3 marks already. 3 markah. Okay? Boleh? Okay. So make sure you guys remember the proving. Tak kira dia ubah huruf macam mana pun, langkah sama. No matter how they change the alphabet. If they want to use A, B, C, also can. In this case, they use N, M, Q. Must write the word proven, right? Depends. Bergantung pada diri kamu. Kalau kamu nak tulis terbukti kat sini pun boleh. If you guys want to write proven, also can. Or shown also you can write. Anything you like lah. Okay. Alright. So now, this question. Okay. So first question, they ask you to express this one. Okay. Kamu kena ungkapkan yang ni. Okay. In term of n and y. Kamu kena ungkapkan dalam sebutan yang ni. Okay. So first step, kamu akan tukar log yang mana? May I know? Will you change this one or will you change this one? Mana log yang kamu akan tukar kat sini? Common sense lah. Anyone? First or second log kamu nak tukar kat sini? Yes. Okay, remember guys, kita tak suka pecahan bila ada log. We don't like fraction one. So we will always try to change. So how to change? Okay, square root AB. I can change to become log B, AB, kuasa, negative 1/2. Am I right? Okay, because square root AB is AB power half. AB kuasa setengah. So bila kamu bawa ke atas, dia kuasa negatif setengah lah. Okay, you just get rid of the 1/. Hapuskan yang tu. Okay, so you will get something like this. Now, the power you can bring in front. Boleh bawa kuasa ke depan. Same concept here. A power half. A kuasa setengah, kuasa bawa ke depan. Same concept. Okay? And then they already give you all this information. Mereka dah bagi yang ni. So you just need to substitute only. Gantikan saja. Okay? So you can see over here. Okay, so kuasa bawah depan and then you can expand. Okay, kamu boleh kembangkan. Okay, this one over here. So guys, whenever two things times in log, you can separate become plus. Am I right? Darab boleh jadi tambah. So that's why you see tambah over here. Half log BA tambah half log BB. So half log BB 1. Okay, log BB is equal to 1. We are using this rule over here. Hukum yang ni. So that's why boleh potong. Okay, and then Yang ni ada 2 kali. You have 2 times. So dia adalah log BA sahajalah. Okay, so your final answer actually is log BA plus half. Something like this. Okay, but then your information is log C. Okay, info yang diberi adalah log C. So kamu tambah sahajalah log asas baru. Okay, just add in your new base. So log CA bahagi log CB. Yang ni tukar log CA over log CB. Senang saja. Then you will get the answer. Boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, so you just substitute log CA with N, log CB kamu ganti dengan Y. Okay, so your answer will get something like this. Ini jawapan kamu. Alright, are you guys clear how to get the answer? Boleh? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? May I know for this question? Boleh ke tak? Senang kan? Easy, right? Just make sure you guys know to use all the rules of log. Kamu kena tahu hukum log. Yang tu paling penting. Kalau kamu kuasai semua hukum log, soalan macam ni sangat senang. Okay, very simple and straightforward. Okay? Alright. So now, they ask you what is the condition for Y. So can anyone tell me? Apa syarat bagi Y? Okay, this is actually a general question. Soalan so can anyone tell me? Common sense also. So log CB equal to Y. So nilai Y tu apa syarat yang saya boleh letak? What is the condition I can put? Anyone? Think logic. Kamu akan dapat jawapan. So yang ni 1 markah sahaja. Only 1 mark. So it's like a fact question. Soalan fakta. So anyone? Nak cuba? Apa syarat bagi Y? Very good, Samantha. Y not equal to 0. Do you guys understand? Ini jawapan dia. That's all. Okay, so why? Kenapa macam tu? Guys, you must understand. Now, we are solving log. Am I right? And just now, if you guys realize, you got an answer like this. Am I right? Kamu ada jawapan macam ni. N over Y plus 1 over 2. So guys, Y. Kalau Y kosong, what will happen guys? Apa akan jadi kalau Y kosong? Infinity. Am I right? Infinity plus 1 over 2. What do you get guys? Boleh saya tanya? Infinity tambah 1/2 dapat jawapan apa? May I know? Anyone? Common sense. What's the answer? Cos N over 0? Yes. Undefined also lah actually. Okay, dia masih infinity. Okay, infinity tambah 2 pun masih infinity. Okay, because infinity is a very large value. Nilai yang sangat besar tambah 2, dia takkan pengaruhi apa-apa. Sebab generally dia sudah besar. Macam konsep dia adalah ombak guys. Ombak pula. Laut. Guys, kamu semua tahu laut kan? Laut ada banyak garam kat dalam. Okay, a sea has a lot of salt. So guys, kalau kamu tambah lagi garam kat laut tu, ada laut tu jadi lagi masin tak? Does the sea become more salty if you add some more salt inside? Yes or no? Common sense. Kalau kamu tambah lagi garam ke dalam air laut, adakah dia lebih masin ke tak? Cuba jawab saya. Yes or no? Ataupun dia sama saja? Same. No, right? Okay, because the sea is already very salty. Okay, dia macam saturated dengan garam. So kamu tambah lagi pun tak ada apa-apa kesan. No effect. Same concept here lah guys. Infinity tambah 1/2. Infinity tu dah sangat besar. Very big. So no matter what value you add, even if you plus 100 lah guys, infinity tambah 100. Apa jawapan dia? Infinity lah. Okay, still infinity. Any number plus infinity is still infinity. So that's why Y tak boleh sama dengan kosong. Because if Y is 0, this whole thing is infinity. Seluruh fungsi yang ni, log, adalah infinity. Mana ada logic guys? There is no logic right in the answer. So that's why Y tak boleh sama dengan kosong. Faham tak? You guys understand my concept? So this is the answer. Okay? Can? 1 atau 2? So this is the second question. Soalan kedua pun dah habis. Okay? So this question got, let me see. I think 8 marks. 8 markah. Okay, 8 marks for indices, surd, and log. Okay? Alright. So we come to the next question. Soalan ketiga. Okay, so this one is about progressions. Janjang. Okay. So guys, another showing question. Satu lagi soalan buktikan. Okay, this one, when you see the equation, right? Kamu nampak persamaan ni sangat kompleks kan? Kamu nak buktikan yang ni. It's a very complex equation. Okay, but don't worry. You read the question first. Tengok soalan dulu. Jangan tengok yang ni lagi. Don't look at this. Read the question. Okay? Alright. So they tell that third round, Ariel is 20 second faster than Libby. So kamu gariskanlah info-info yang penting. Okay, this one. 20 saat lebih pantas. Okay, so this can be one equation. Am I right? Ini adalah satu persamaan. So guys, what is the equation you can form here? Apa persamaan kamu boleh bentuk? So you can say that third round maksudnya T3 lah. Okay, the third term, sebutan ketiga. So T3 Libby, T3 Ariel equals to T3 Libby minus 20 tolak 20. Okay, because they say 20 seconds faster. Okay, 20 saat lebih pantas. Boleh nampak tak guys? So this is how I come out with this equation. Boleh faham? Do you guys understand this? So Ariel is 20 seconds faster than Libby. So Libby minus 20. Okay? Boleh? Okay, so now, so they already tell you, this is a geometric progression. Okay, dia adalah janjang geometry. Okay, so you must use the geometric progression formula lah for this question. Okay, boleh? So, let me see. Any other info? Okay, there is one more info over here. This one. Okay, they tell you that, wait, start. Okay, they say for participants aged more than 8 years old, it follow geometric. Okay, so if otherwise, kalau dia bukan lebih daripada 8 tahun, dia akan melalui janjang aritmetik. Okay, boleh nampak? So the second equation actually is based on arithmetic progression. Okay, so can you see here? This information. Ada satu lagi, yang kedua, the second information. Okay, so you can see, okay, this one, yang ni untuk BM. Libby adalah 25 saat lebih pantas. Second. Okay, so now, if they say Libby is 25 seconds faster, so mean that T and Ariel equal to what? Okay, so you will have T and Libby. Okay, so may I know plus 25 or minus 25 guys? Tambah 25 atau tolak 25 kat belakang ni? Anyone? Kamu lihat soalan. Dia cakap Libby 25 saat lebih pantas. Libby is 25 second faster. Yes. Okay, mas plus 25 tambah 25. Okay, because Ariel will be slower than Libby because Libby faster. Okay. So this is your two equation lah. Dua persamaan. So now what to do? Simultaneous lah guys. Okay, kamu selesaikan secara serentak until you can show this one. Buktikan yang ni. Okay, for Tn, you cannot substitute any value. Kamu tak boleh ganti apa-apa kat sini untuk nilai n. Because the question never tell you anything. Soalan tak bagi tahu apa-apa. Okay, because they just say pusingan terakhir. Final round. But they never tell you how many rounds in the competition. Mereka tak bagi tahu berapa pusingan. So kamu kekal Tn sajalah. Okay, just leave it as Tn. Okay, alright. So now you can start already to do your equation. Okay, so example for T3. T3 is equal to AR power 3 minus 1. You use your geometric progression. So this is how you get AR square. And then for T3 Libby, okay, this one you must take note. For Libby, we are using arithmetic. Okay, kalau Libby kita akan guna janjang arithmetic. Okay, why? Because this one. Wait, let me see. Okay, so they say participants age more than 8, geometry. If less than 8, it is arithmetic. So the question tell you here, Ariel is older than Libby. Okay, Ariel lebih tua daripada Libby. Maksudnya apa guys? Libby adalah lebih muda. Okay, Libby is younger than Ariel. Means that Libby is younger than this range. Dia lebih muda daripada 8 tahun. So dia kena ikut janjang arithmetic. You must follow arithmetic progression. Okay? So that's why you must use A plus N minus 1D for Libby. Okay? So N equal to 3. So A plus 2D lah. Okay, that's why you get A plus 2D. Okay? And then you can rearrange the equation. Boleh susun. Okay, and then for the final raise, same concept. Arial, AR power N tolak 1. Libby, A plus N minus 1D. Okay, sebab kita tak tahu nilai N. We don't know the N value. Okay, so now, one equation. Okay, so of course you need to express lah the second equation. Kamu kena ungkapkan D dalam sebutan A, R dan N. Okay, you express D in term of A, R, N. Why? Because, tengok apa yang kamu kena buktikan guys. Do you see any D term in your answer? Yes or no? Adakah kamu nampak sebutan D dalam jawapan kamu? Boleh kamu bagi tahu saya. Do you all see it? D term. Don't have, right? Tak ada kan? Maksudnya, kamu kena hapuskanlah sebutan D itu. You must eliminate. So, how to eliminate? Kamu kena ungkapkan dia lah supaya kamu boleh gantikan D ni dengan benda lain. You substitute this D with this information. Boleh faham tak? So, kamu tak ada D lepas ni. So, that's why kita buat langkah ni. This is the purpose of our step, to get rid of D. Okay? So, you just need to substitute, gantikan. Okay, now the equation look a bit complex. Dia nampak kompleks sikit, tak apa. You just continue to expand. Kembangkan saja. Okay, still within the syllabus. Don't worry. Okay, so since they ask you to express A, so everything you shift to the right hand side lah. Kamu pindahkan semua selain A ke belah kanan. Okay, so you will actually get something like this. Kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, over here, you can factorize out the A. Okay, kamu faktorkan A. So 1 minus R square, you just shift it to the right hand side. Pindahkan ke sebelah kanan. And then you will times with this one. Okay, kamu darab dengan yang ni. That's why you get all these terms here. Kamu dapat semua ni. Okay, 1 minus R square times N minus 1. So you got N minus 1 and then minus NR square plus R square. Boleh? So guys, do you see it here? Boleh nampak? Sama kan? It's the same, right? Okay, of course here symbol dia berbeza lah. It's different symbol because later they will times negative to the whole equation. But basically it's about the same. Dia hampir sama dah. Okay? So you just continue expand, kembangkan macam biasa, and then you must divide the whole equation by R. Okay, bahagi penyebut ni dengan R. Okay, why we actually divide by R? Okay, it's because if you see over here, there you have many R. Okay, kamu ada banyak R kan kat sini. And then this answer, dia tak sama. It's not the same as what the answer asks you to prove. So means that you must modify a bit. Kamu kena ubah sedikit. So we actually need to divide by R to all the terms at the bottom. Okay, bahagi semua dengan R. Then you will be able to get the answer. Kamu akan dapat jawapan. Okay, so this is how you actually show the answer. Kamu dapat buktikan. Okay, can you guys get it? Boleh? Understand? One or two? Yes, it's a bit hard, but you must just do the working only. Buat jalan kira. Number 2, you expand to everything, and then this one, you can combine to become single fraction. Okay, gabungkan dia jadi pecahan tunggal. Okay, because you have 2 fraction, right? So you make the denominator same. Denominator mean n minus 1 lah. Oh, because you want to show this one. Kamu nak buktikan yang ni. Y plus 25. Plus 25. Where is the plus 25? I don't see it. Oh, this one is because you're saying this one, right? This one over here. Is it this one? This one plus 25 because they say 25 saat lebih pantas. 25 second quicker. So means that Libby is 25 second quicker compared to Ariel. So that's why it's Tn Ariel equal to Tn Libby plus 25. Okay? Can you get it? Plus. Because Ariel is take longer time. Ariel tu ambil masa lebih lama. Okay? Can, right? Okay, so then you will be able to show it lah. Kamu boleh buktikan dah. Okay, over here, right? You see that the answer is actually not the same as above. Am I right? Dia tak sama seperti atas. I think over here the answer actually not correct. I rasa jawapan yang dia suruh buktikan tu tak betul. Okay, so just change what you need to prove to this one. Okay, kamu kena tukar. The answer is not accurate. Okay, so you actually supposed to get this answer. Kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, you cannot simplify. Let me see ya. Cannot. Tak boleh. Okay, that's all. So you just need to leave it as that answer. Okay, this one, the question here got some mistake. Don't follow this one. Okay, follow your final answer. So you should get something like this. Kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, do you guys understand? Boleh? One or two? Why they main-main? Actually, right, if you want to stop your answer here, also can. No problem. If you want to stop here, also can. Kalau nak henti kat situ pun boleh. Okay, because over here the question, right, the answer given actually cannot find. Tak boleh cari yang tu. So you can actually choose to stop anywhere lah. As long as you express A in term of something else, enough already. Asalkan kamu boleh ungkap yang tu. Okay? Can? So you can choose where to stop your answer. Boleh? Can understand, guys? Can or not? Okay? So continue. Okay, so now this one, they ask you to determine the end term when the race ends. Okay, kamu kena tentukanlah Tn. Okay, so basically question is find Tn. Okay, so they already give you the values. R is 0.78, D is negative 1.5. Okay, so what you're going to do is you can substitute the values in your equation. Okay, which equation? You can substitute in, wait, let me see. Okay, you can substitute over here. Boleh gantikan kat sini. Am I right? Okay, you can substitute D equal to 1.5, negative 1.5, and R equal to 0.78. You just sub over here. Okay? And then you find your A value. Cari nilai A. Okay? And then after you get the A, you can find the n term for aerial. Okay, cari sebutan ke n bagi aerial. Okay, you use the formula Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. So you sub the R, A value, n value we don't know. So you just leave it as n. Okay, so you will get something like this as the answer. Kamu akan dapat macam ni. And then you also find the Tn for Libby. So for Libby, remember, it is arithmetic. A plus n minus 1d. So you sub the A, sub the D. Okay, then you get the second equation. So basically you just need to find Tn for both of these people. Okay, cari Tn untuk dua-dua orang ni saja. Okay, because they ask the n terms. So means that two answer, dua jawapan. Okay, so I think this one can understand, right? Yang ni boleh faham kan? Is very straightforward. Am I right? Boleh? So this one is question 3 lah. Okay? Continue. Yes, I will send. Don't worry. Why you so worried guys about the material? You guys want Salin, is it? Is it you guys want copy the answer? No. Don't worry, I will send. Okay? Alright, we see question 4 now. Soalan keempat. Okay, so question 4, we are talking about linear law. So this one should be okay lah. Shouldn't be that hard. Okay. Kopi tu maksud apa? Tak faham. Okay, so you have y equals pq power x. Okay, so now they ask you to sketch a graph of log 10y against x. Okay, so how to do this? Very simple. So guys, x coordinate, you will maintain. Am I right? Kamu akan maintain coordinate x. So x is 6, x is 16. Untuk graph yang ni lah, this one. Because they never change the x-axis. Mereka tak ubah apa-apa. But for the y coordinate, guys, do we need to change y coordinate? Yes or no? Bila kita plot graph yang baru ni. Yes. Okay, because original graph is just y. New graph, log 10y. So you need to make change. Kena ubah. Okay, so the y coordinate, 10 and 100. So log 10y. So y is 10 now, 10. So the answer is 1. And then log 10, 100, 100. The answer is 2. Am I right? So now your new coordinate is like this lah. Ini adalah coordinate baru kamu. So guys, may I know this graph? How is the shape of this graph? Can you describe to me? Macam mana graph ni akan nampak? Log 10y melawan x. Is it a curve graph or straight line graph? Melengkung atau garis lurus? Anyone? Yes. Okay, always remember when you convert non-linear to linear, you will get straight line graph. Okay, kamu tukar dari bukan linear ke linear. Okay, so you just need to draw a straight line graph. Okay, and then these two are the points. Ini dua titik. Okay, where you label the points does not matter. Okay, because they just ask you to sketch. Sketch maksudnya skala terpenting. Lakarkan. Okay, so you just make your graph look logic. If logic, you will get the 2 marks. 2 markah. Okay, easy right? Senang kan? Okay, so continue. Next one. Okay, so for question B, they ask you to find the P and Q. Cari nilai P and Q. So how? Okay, so again, you must convert your graph. Okay, so y equal to PQ power x. So you add log 10y equal to log 10 PQ power x. And then you bring down the x. Okay, and then you will get like this. Log 10 px and then plus log 10q. Okay, boleh guys? Do you guys get it? So you should get the answer something like this lah. Okay, kamu akan dapat macam ni. Alright, so now you just need to find your gradient and also wait. Sorry. I made mistake here. Okay guys, this one, right? When you bring down the x, is actually you must separate first. Kamu kena pisahkan dulu. Okay, separate the log first. Yes, correct. Don't straight away bring down. Okay, because when times, the log can plus. Okay, so you separate, pisahkan. Then you bring down the x. Okay, so log 10y equal to log 10q x plus log 10p. So something like this. Okay, so your gradient is log 10q, your y-intercept is log 10p. Boleh? Kecerunan log 10q, pintasan y log 10p. So now you can find already lah. Kamu boleh cari. Okay, based on this graph, you can find the gradient 2 minus 1 over 16 minus 6. So gradient is 1 over 10. So 1 over 10 equal to log 10q. Cari nilai q lah. Okay, so you will get the q value equal to 10 power 1 over 10. 10 kuasa 1 per 10. Okay, then you will get the answer di. Kamu akan dapat jawapan. Alright, are you guys clear? Boleh dapat? Can or not? Understand? So you will get the answer of 1.259. Okay, 1.259. Okay, so this is your working. And then for p value, you just need to find the y-intercept lah. Okay, so how to find y-intercept? You just substitute one of the point. Gantikan satu coordinate saja. Boleh cari pintasan y. Okay, so where you substitute? Ke mana nak gantikan? You can substitute in this equation. Okay, because your current axis is log 10y against x. Melawan x. So kamu gantikan sajalah. Okay, so x equal to 6. And then log 10y. Guys, be careful here. Hati-hati. Nilai 1 dan nilai 2 ni bukan y. Is not your y value. Is log 10y. Log 10y equal to 1. Because your axis. Lihat paksi kamu. Okay. Do you guys understand? So then you will get the p value lah. Just solve the equation. Selesaikan persamaan. Boleh? Understand? Yes or no? I need to hear your response. 1 atau 2. Boleh ya? Can, right? Everyone here. Hello? Oh, log 10, 10. Okay, understand. So the meaning is 1 lah. 1. Okay, now 5A. This one is on your quadratic. Okay, bahagian bab quadratic. So now they ask you to convert to vertex form. Okay, tukar ke bentuk vertex. Okay guys, so bentuk vertex, what is the first step you must do? Kamu kena buat langkah apa dulu? Okay, so first step, anyone? Vertex form, come on. What is your first step? Langkah pertama. Anyone? Tell me. First step you must do what? Selalunya. Hello? First step, langkah pertama guys. Bentuk vertex, vertex form. What do you guys do? May I know? What is the assumption you do? Apa anggapan kamu buat? Anyone? Hello guys, can you hear me? Adakah saya lag? Am I lagging? Yes or no? So what is the assumption you do? Apa kamu buat? Yes. Okay, you must faktorkan. Am I right? You must factorize. Completing the square. Kamu semua tahu kan kaedah PKD, penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Guys, cannot lag. Admaths memang cannot lag. You must focus. Okay, so first step you let A equal to 1. Okay, katakan A sama dengan 1. Okay, because completing the square you must always factorize out this one. Kamu kena faktorkan nilai 8. Okay, and then second step you must add B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Am I right? Kamu akan buat langkah ni. And then third step, kamu kena gabungkan sebutan pertama dan sebutan ketiga. You combine the first term with the third term. So kamu dapat yang ni lah. And then last step, kamu expand balik. Okay, just kembangkan untuk dapat dalam bentuk vertex. So these are the 4 steps when you do vertex form. Menggunakan kaedah penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Completing the square. Okay, so your answer will get in this format. Kamu akan dapat jawapan dalam format macam ni. Have you guys seen this? Yes or no? Is your brain still lagging? Harap tak lag you must remember this format. Very important for Admaths. Kena tahu bentuk yang ni, bentuk vertex. Okay, so you can already start lah to do your expansion. Okay, Wi-Fi lagging I don't understand. Okay guys, there's one information here. They tell you P minus Q equal to 1. And they want you to express in term of P only. Dalam sebutan P. So means that every Q term, you must substitute with P. Okay, kamu kena gantikan setiap Q2 dengan nilai P. Okay, so you will get Q equal to P minus 1. Am I right? So you substitute all the Q with P minus 1. Ganti semua. Okay, so you will get something like this. Kamu akan dapat macam ni. Then you start to factorize out the 8. Okay, keluarkan 8. So then you will get this equation. And then plus B over 2 square. Tambah B per 2 kuasa 2. Tolak B per 2 kuasa 2. And then first and third term. Okay, sebutan pertama dan ketiga gabungkan. Combine. So you get like this. And then expand the 8. Kembangkan 8 tu masuk. Okay, over here they never show that lah. Mereka tak tunjuk yang tu. So you can leave your final answer like this. Pun boleh. If you don't want to expand, sorry. They expand already. Mereka sudah kembangkan. So they combine 2 step over here. Okay, this one over here ada 2 step. Step ketiga tambah step keempat. They already combine in your final answer. Okay, so understand? Boleh dapat? Do you guys see how to solve CTS? Boleh kan? Satu atau dua? One or two for this question? Kalau boleh teruskan continue Okay, so continue. Okay, so for question B, they ask you to determine the range of P. Okay, tentukan julat nilai P. Kalau fx tak ada penyelesaian. Okay, fx has no solution. Okay guys, may I know? No solution mean what? Tiada penyelesaian tu maksud apa? Anyone? What is the equation you can write if no solution? Think and see. Cuba fikir. Anyone? No solution. What is the equation you get? Apa kamu dapat? Are you sure? Are you sure equals 0? Guys, no solution mean what? No solution mean no x value. Am I right? Tiada penyelesaian maksudnya kamu tak ada nilai x. So kalau tak ada nilai X maksud apa? Yes. Okay, less than 0 lah. Lebih kurang dari kosong. B square minus 4AC less than 0. So you will have imaginary roots. Okay, punca khayalan. Pernah dengar tak perkataan yang tu? Punca khayalan. Imaginary root. Imaginary root means what? You have an axis, your graph is floating. Okay, graph kuadratik kamu terapung. Macam ni. So this is what we call as imaginary roots. Kamu tak boleh cari nilai dia. You cannot find the value. Okay? So you just need to do B square minus 4AC less than 0. Then you can get the answer D. Kamu boleh dapat jawapan. Okay? So you just need to express T in term of the constant. Kamu ungkapkan T dalam sebutan pemalas sahaja. Okay? Then you will get the answer. Okay? Boleh? Okay, over here, how you solve it? Okay, so very simple. You must draw your quadratic. So greater than 0 means you shade left and right. Am I right? Kalau lebih besar dari kosong, kamu akan lorek ke kiri dan kanan atas paksi X. So that's why you got two possible answer. Dua jawapan. Okay? Are you clear guys? One or two? Untuk soalan yang ni? Can? Untuk soalan 5? Can Okay, so continue. Pergi lagi. Soalan ke-6. Number 6. Okay, so question 6 is on your favorite chapter guys. Kamu semua suka right? Bab ni. Pilih atur dan gabungan. Permutation and combination. Watch out guys. SPM always come out very hard this chapter. Okay, SPM akan selalu keluar soalan-soalan susah. Okay, so you must know how to do. Okay? Alright. So now, cannot skip guys. Jangan skip. Kena attempt. Okay, you must try to do. Don't skip. Okay? So now, they want to form account password. So guys, kata laluan. You tell me, permutation or combination? Pilih atur atau gabungan? Kalau kata laluan, yes. The symbol is P guys. Pilih atur. Okay? So now you must start lah. They say no restriction. Tiada halangan. So guys, when they say no restriction, very simple lah. Okay, they want to set 8 letters, 8 huruf. Okay, so guys, may I know how many letters we have in this universe? Berapa huruf ada dalam alam ni? Kalau siapa salah silap yang ni, pergi tadika. If you guys wrong this question, go back kindergarten. How many letters, guys, we have? May I know in this universe? Come on, tell me the answer. Guys, Ryan, go back to kindergarten now, please. Pergi balik tadika. Yes. Guys, careful don't make mistake in this kind of question Very embarrassing, you know. You sengaja, is it? Do like that. Guys, 26 huruf A to Z. Ada 26. Okay? This kind of question wrong, the pemeriksa sure laugh one. He don't know how to help you. Okay? So now, they want to choose 8 letter. Pilih 8. So you just do 26, P8, 26, P8 saja. Then you get the answer. Okay, so your answer will get a very large value. Kamu akan dapat nilai yang sangat-sangat besar. Okay, can you see guys? This is your answer. So you will get 6.299 times 10 power 10. Okay guys, usually when the answer very large, you can write as standard form. No worries. Kamu boleh tulis bentuk piawai untuk bab ni. Pilih atur dan gabungan. Okay, you are allowed to write in standard form. Okay? Alright. So next one, they give you condition. Mereka bagi halangan. So they say first letter vowel, last letter, end with C. So you must start to write lah guys. Kena tulis dah. Okay, so you see the answer. Okay, so got 8 letters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, first letter, vowel. Okay, how many vowels guys in this universe? May I know? This one who wrong? You go back tadika. So, berapa huruf vokal guys kita ada? Yes. 5. So 5 possibility kat first number. Last number they say must be C. Okay, huruf terakhir mesti C. So maksudnya satu saja pilihan kat sini. So guys, the ones in the middle, kat tengah-tengah, you must count and see lah guys. Okay, so now total 26. Now you already choose 2 letter. Okay, jumlah 26, pilih 2. So tinggal berapa guys? You're only left with 24. 24 to fill in 6 spots. Okay, kamu akan isi ke-6 kota ni. So that's why the answer is 24P6 lah. Okay, boleh? And then you just times the answer by 5. Okay, because 5 possible at the first place. Okay, boleh? So this is your answer. Boleh faham? Actually, it's very easy, right, guys? Senang kan? The most important thing is that you guys must draw out the situation. Luki situasi dia. Lebih senang nak tengok. Okay? Alright. So we go to the next one. Okay, so next one, they ask you the number of ways. Bilangan cara. So guys, permutation or combination? May I know? Pilih atau gabungan? Part B. Think and see. Yes, of course, combination lah. Gabungan. Okay, usually the question they will split into two. Dia pisahkan dua. Kalau atas pilih atau, bawah gabungan. Kalau atas gabungan, bawah pilih atau. Macam tu. Okay, definitely they will test you on both. Yes, Tajo Form 5. Form 5 Chapter 4. Pilih atau dan gabungan. Alright? Okay, so now, they ask you to find the number of ways for 5 people. Okay, 5 orang dipilih. And then included Jim and at least one girl. Okay, sekurang-kurangnya satu perempuan. Okay, so now you must think and see, guys. Got 10 people. Okay, wait, let me write on top here. Okay, so you have 10 people, 4 boy, 4 lelaki, 6 perempuan, 6 girl. Okay, so may I know how to choose 5 people? Macam mana pilih 5 orang? Okay, so you can think and see. Jim is already one person, guys. They already say Jim ni kena dipilih. So guys, may I know, Jim is a boy or girl? Tell me, honestly. Jim tu ni lelaki atau perempuan? Kalau yang ni salah, wah, you guys very smart main dengan saya. Very smart you guys tukar jantina orang. Guys, kamu tak boleh sengaja tukar jantina orang tau. So don't careful. Cannot change gender of people one. Very dangerous in Malaysia. Sekarang kita tinggal kat Malaysia, tak boleh tukar jantina orang macam ni. Tak boleh. Okay? Jim can be Jim Emma. You tell the pemeriksa lah, Dawan. Kamu tulis side note kat bawah jawapan kamu. Anggap Jim tu adalah Jim Emma. Tengok. Pemeriksa bagi betul ke tak jawapan kamu. Anggap kan. Kamu semua buat anggapan, right? Dalam admaths. Let X equal to something. So anggap Jim sama dengan apa? Try and see lah, guys. You try and see. I challenge you guys. Okay? Alright. So now, they say 5 people, right? So Jim already won. So now only left 4 people. 4 orang. So they say that sekurang-kurangnya satu perempuan. At least one girl. So can be 1 girl, 3 boy. This is the first case lah. Case pertama. And then kamu kena buat lagi. Jim, 2 girl. 2 girl mean 2 boy lah. The total must be 5 always. Okay, jumlah dia kena 5. So Jim, 3 girl, 1 boy. Last case is paling bagus, guys. Jim, 4 girl, 0 boy. Wah, Jim ni boleh pilih antara 4 perempuan lah, guys. Shock sangat kan? 1 boy, 4 girl attack. Ini adalah many to one relation. Do you guys understand? Many to one relation. Banyak perempuan, satu lelaki. Banyak objek, satu image. This is what we call as many to one. Guys, who say admaths so boring? Siapa kata admaths tu bosan? You can apply many to one relation in relationship, you know, in real life. Kamu semua nak satu kepada satu atau banyak kepada satu? Lebih bagus banyak kepada banyak. Many to many is the top case lah, guys. Many to many is the best. One person taking 9 subjects. Lah, correct lah. One to many lah. Like you guys lah, SPM. One to many. Correct? But this one not dirty lah. Your example is not dirty-minded. Saya punya joke dirty-minded. Dirty-minded because I talk about relationship. But then when I talk like that, you guys understand. Am I right? Kamu boleh faham lebih bagus. All the 4 case. So guys, between all these 4 case, we times or plus? May I know? Yes? Actually, I never thought about that. Yes. Okay, the answer is plus. Okay, antara case ni kena tambah. So this is your answer lah, guys. Jawapan dia. Okay, very simple. So you just follow only. So 6 girl, choose one girl. 4 boy, choose 3 boy. Kamu maintain saja pattern tu sampai ke akhir. All of this is the pattern. So then you just plus lah all this answer, then you will get total way. Dah habis soalan ke-6. Okay? Are you clear? Question 6 boleh? So jangan anggap bab ni susah lah. Don't think this chapter hard. Actually can do. Boleh buat. Okay? Alright. So now we come to your Form 5 Chapter 3. Yes. Okay, pengamilan. Integration. Question 7. Okay, so for this question, you have to integrate this one. Okay, kamu kena kamekan fungsi ni lah. Okay, so guys, this one is definite or indefinite. Adakah ini kamilan tentu atau tak tentu? Kamu lihat what type of integration? Yes, tentu, right? Okay, this is definite integration. Sebab kamu ada had, you have the limit. So must plus C or not, guys? Kena tambah C ke tak? Pada jawapan saya, no need, because this one is definite. Okay, so you can start to integrate. Okay, so usually when you see fraction like this, you just bring up the power. Okay, naikkan kuasa saja. Jadi macam ni. Okay, so that is easier to integrate. Alright, so now when you start integrate, you should get this answer. Okay, basic integration lah, this one. Okay, wait guys, for a while. Let me try to get, okay. So, yeah. So you just need to integrate normally. Kamekan macam biasa, sub your upper and lower limit. Okay, gantikan had atas, had bawah. Okay, then press calculator, get the answer. Okay, senang kan yang ni? Very simple, right? Nothing much to explain. It's a basic integration. Okay, alright. So question B. Okay, this one, you must solve the equation. Kamu kena selesaikan. Okay, so first step, of course, you are going to expand. Okay, kamu akan kembangkan. So you just expand inside. So 8, 0, constant always you can take out. Pemala tu bawa ke hadapan simbol pengamilan. Okay, so that it look very easy. So now like this, it look very easy. Am I right? And then plus f prime 10. So you just need to solve this equation. So integrate 8, 0. Okay, so this one you must do again lah. Kamu kena buat lagi sekali. Okay, because you have no answers over here. So you need to do one by one. Kena buat satu per satu. Okay? And then f prime 10, you just substitute x equal to 10 lah dalam persamaan ni. Okay, then you will be able to get the answer. Boleh dapat jawapan. Okay? Boleh guys? Can understand? So your working will look something like this. Okay? It's again normal integration. Pengamilan biasa. Okay. For this one, right? Since they say you must use the result from A, sebab kena guna jawapan A, you can actually try to modify the question slightly. Okay, so you can actually try to use just now answer. Okay, just now answer is integrate 8, 1. Okay, kamu kami dari 1 sampai 8. Okay, so how do we modify the equation? I think, wait guys, let me see. Is there mistake over here? Sana guys, saya kena nampak. Okay, I think this one they write the question wrongly code. Okay, this one is actually number 2 guys. Ini 2. Okay, there is a mistake. Okay, the limit is actually 8, 2. Okay, so you just change that one. Tukar yang 2 saja. Alright. Yeah, I think that's the mistake over there. Wait. Bukan. Wah, this answer scheme memang mencarut lah. Okay, never mind. You use the limit 81, 81 lebih senang. Okay, over here the answer scheme keep on change the limit. I also don't know why they confusing this answer scheme. Something wrong lah guys with this answer scheme. Ada salah sikit kat sini. Never mind. You guys just solve this one. Selesaikan pengamilan ni saja. Lebih senang. Jangan lihat skema. Okay, very confusing. Just follow original question. Okay, so kamu ikut yang ni saja. Topic limit, answer scheme no limit. Yes, that's the problem. Okay, so 80 f prime x just integrate lah. Okay, kamikan fungsi ni sekali lagi saja. Okay, I think you guys know how to do lah. It's very simple. Am I right? Yang ni pun semua sangat senang. You guys can do by yourself lah, the integration. Okay, same concept sama saja. Alright, So don't need to see the answer scheme. This one. Okay. So we come to question 8. Lihat soalan ke-8. Okay. So for question 8, they are talking about trigo. So question 8 is your form 5 chapter 6. Trigo guys. Semua orang tak suka kan bab ni. You guys don't like. Okay. So now you have to express sin x plus pi. Kamu kena ungkapkan yang ni. Alright. So, of course, you're going to start with this information. Am I right? Kamu mula dengan yang ni. So, guys, cotangent x. How can I change cotangent x? What is the identity yang saya boleh guna? Saya nak tukar cotangent x. So, I can write as 1 over tangent x. Yes, 1 over tangent x equal to k. Alright? So means that tangent x equal to 1 over k. So now I can draw the triangle. Saya boleh lukis segitiga. Alright, so when I draw the triangle, something like this. Okay, so you need to see the range. Okay, nampak julat? Negative 180 until 180. So guys, you think and see, what quadrant is this? Quadrant ke berapa? Negative pi sampai pi. 180, right? Pi sama dengan 180. So this one is definitely quadrant 2. Am I right? Ini adalah quadrant kedua because it's until pi. So means that I will draw the triangle in this way. Okay, this is the quadrant. So that's why segitiga quadrant kedua. Alright? So you have tangent x equal to 1 over k. So x bertentangan, bersebelahan. So you have 1 k. And then hypotenuse, use Pythagoras theorem, square root k square tambah 1. So you have all the information already. Kamu ada semua info. So you can start to expand, kembangkan. Okay, so now, how to expand this? There is a formula. Am I right? Sin A plus B. Kamu boleh refer depan. Equal to sin A. Sorry. Okay, you will get sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. Boleh? Pernah nampak kan guys rumus ni? You guys seen this, right? You just need to apply this formula. Okay, so you have sin x cos pi, sin pi cos x. Okay, cos pi, sin pi, just tekan calculator. Okay, tekan calculator saja. And then sin x, you refer your triangle. Okay, lihat segitiga kamu. Alright, so sin x, you should have 1 bahagi punca kuasa 2 k square plus 1. And then cos x, k bahagi punca kuasa 2 k square plus 1. Then just solve the equation lah. Selesaikan persamaan, dapat jawapan. Okay? Clear, right? 8A is very simple. Sangat senang untuk faham. Okay? Alright. Now we see 8B. Okay, 8B is a bit interesting. They ask you to determine whether this one exists or not. Adakah fungsi ni wujud ke tak? Okay, so how? How do we do this? Can anyone tell me? What is the concept that we can use? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Anyone? Think and see. Cuba fikir. Macam mana kita boleh buat yang ni? Anyone? Macam mana? Okay, first step, of course, you must simplify lah. Okay, kamu kena pemudahkan. So guys, tangent equal to what? Tangent equal to sin over cos. Am I right? So tangent x tambah pi per 2 is equal to sin x plus pi over 2 divide cos x plus pi over 2. This is the concept lah. Okay, then you start to expand, kembangkan. So sin x plus pi over 2, same concept. Guna rumus yang ni. Use this formula, kembangkan. So when you press calculator, sin 90 you should get 0. 1. Kamu akan dapat 1. Cos 90 you should get kosong. So this is how you can simplify. Kamu boleh pemudahkan. Okay, so when you simplify, you will actually get negative cos x over sin x. Okay, so I can show a bit here lah. Sin x cos 90 and then plus cos x sin 90. Okay, this is the top. And then bottom, you have cos x sin 90. Wait. Did I apply correctly? Yes, correct. And then plus sin x cos 90. So guys, whenever you see cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 tu kosong. So means that potong, potong. So this one, yang ni berapa guys? Cos x. Okay, and then bottom also you have cos x. Am I right? Okay, wait, let me see. Do I make any mistake? Cos x. Sorry guys. Cos punya pengembangan berbeza. Ayo, saya pun dah lelap. Guys, for cos, the expansion is different. Okay, it's cos x, cos pi over 2, cos 90, and then you should minus sin x, sin 90. This one only correct. Yang ni betul. Okay, so cos 90 kosong, so you can cut, potong yang ni. Okay, so you get dua yang ni lah. Okay, so cos x over negative sin x. So you get something like this lah. Kamu dapat yang ni, negative cos x over sin x. Maksud sama. So guys, cos over sin is cotangent. Am I right? You guys remember this, right? Kalau kamu ingat yang ni, rumus yang ni, cot x equal to cos x over sin x. So you will get negative cotangent x, and just now cotangent x sama dengan k. So you just substitute lah, negative k. So now you already have the simple version. Okay, so now just now cos x plus pi over 2 is negative sin x. Am I right? The bottom one, negative sin x. And then the top one is cos x. Okay, over here I think got mistake. It's opposite, negative sin x and positive cos x. Okay, got some mistake there. So now tangent x plus pi over 2 will exist lah. Okay, dia akan wujud. Okay, so this is how you actually show it, because you will be able to get a value. Kamu akan dapat nilai negative k. So means that it exists lah. Okay, what will make it not exist? Apa yang menyebabkan dia tak wujud? Okay, tak wujud maksudnya infinity lah guys. If you don't get your answer as infinity, kalau tak dapat jawapan ni, maksudnya dia wujud lah. Contoh, negative k. Maksudnya dia ada nilai. There is value. Do you understand? So this is how we solve. Ini cara dia. Okay? Boleh faham guys? Do you understand? Question 8? Dah habis. Soalan 8. Continue soalan 9 guys. Okay, this one. Your favorite topic. Circular measure. Okay, circular measure, right guys? The question will always come out hard. Selalu dia suka bagi soalan susah. Something like this. Only one question, but hard. Satu soalan saja. Okay, so the question is, you must find the shaded region. Okay, cari kawasan berlorek. Okay, maybe you guys have seen this kind of question. Am I right? Kalau kamu cuba banyak soalan, kamu akan tahu how to solve it. Okay, so may I know, how do you change the diagram? Macam mana kamu nak modify raja kat sini? Anyone? You just need to draw one line. Kamu kena lukis satu garis saja. So where do you draw it? May I know? Describe to me. Very good lah guys. If you do many questions, you know that the triangle you need to cut half. Bagi setengah saja. Okay, so now, how to get the shaded region? You just take whole sector minus 2 triangle minus sector. Settle lah. You get the answer. Okay, this angle is 30. This angle is 30. Okay, because total ialah 60. Okay, question a detail. Say total is 60. So maksudnya, this one berapa guys? Apa sudut yang tu? May I know? What is the answer? The red color. Yes, 60 lah. Okay, because total 180. So 180 minus 90 minus 30. So 60. So this angle, you will get 240. Am I right? 240. So now, you can find the sector. So area of sector equal to half r square theta. So theta is 240. Change it to radian guys. Remember this formula, kamu kena guna unit radian saja. So this is the area of the sector. And then you find the area of triangle. Cari luas segitiga. So this one is right angle triangle. Okay, but you must find some length. Kamu kena cari panjang. Oh, can I write the formula? Okay. Area of sector, this formula. Okay. Half r square theta radian. Okay. All right. And then for the triangle, you can try to find this length. Cari panjang yang ni. Okay. So how to find? You can use tangent 60 equal to opposite bertentangan bahagi bersebelahan 8. So you have opposite equal to 8 tangent 60. So now you can apply the formula. So guys, right angle triangle, segitiga bersudut tegak. I can use half times base times height. Like this lah. And then you have two triangle, dua segitiga yang sama. So that's why you times 2, darab 2. Okay, so now you just need to take, let me see, this one, yang ni, tambah dengan yang ni, and then find the area of the whole sector. Cari luas seluruh sector. Okay, so for the big one, the radius is 8 tangent 60, and then plus 8. Can you see guys? This is the radius. Ini adalah radius sector besar. So it's 8, sorry. Cannot. You must find the hypotenuse. Kena cari hypotenuse dulu. Okay, so for your hypotenuse, you will use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, 8 tangent 60 square plus 8 square. So this is your formula. Ini rumus dia. Okay? Then you will get the answer lah. And then your theta is 60 degree. Convert to radian. Boleh guys? Do you understand the concept? So you take this one, ambil seluruh yang ni, tolak this one, tolak this one. Understand? So that's how you get the answer lah. Boleh dapat jawapan. Alright? Are you guys clear? Soalan ke-9. So this is the working lah. How you show it. Ini cara dia. Okay? Basically, it's the same concept like how I explained. Maybe they show different method, kaedah berbeza, but you should get the same answer. Alright? Okay? So continue. Okay. Soalan ke-10 dah. Number 10. Okay, so number 10, we will talk about vector. Okay, so vector. Vector, anyone have problem this chapter? Form 4 chapter 8. Siapa tak suka vector? Vector actually is easy to score, so tak susah. Okay, so you just need to label your diagram. Okay, so they ask you to express TU. Kamu kena ungkapkan TU. Okay, wait guys, they never label over here. I will try to label for you. Wait guys, I must try to figure out the labeling because they never label for you guys. Okay, PSSR. Okay, so I think it's like this. Sada guys, saya kena label because the question never tell you. Wow, this question not good one. Straight line STR parallel to straight line PQ. Okay, I think I know already. It should be something like this. Okay, yeah, I think this is the labeling. Macam ni. Okay, and then U, I think U is here. Okay, so it should be something like this, guys. So now you can start to find lah. Kamu boleh mula cari. Alright, so first question is ask you to find TU. Okay, so how do we get? Yeah, correct. Okay, you must find TU. Okay, so how to get TU? Okay, first of all, you must find TQ. Okay, kamu kena cari TQ dulu. Okay, so why you find TQ? I mean, how you find? Macam mana boleh cari TQ? Okay, so you can say TS plus SP plus PQ is equal to TQ. Boleh? So this is one of the steps. Okay, so TS, you must find the ratio. Okay, kamu kena guna nisbah. Okay, so the ratio is 2. Okay, for TS is 2. Okay, so it's 2 over, let me see, 2 over 5 of RS. Okay, 2/5 RS for TS. Okay, and then SP plus PQ. SP ada kat sini, PQ ada kat sini. So you just substitute all the information. Gantikan semua info saja. Alright. So you will get the answer something like this. Kamu akan dapat macam ni. Alright. Over here, the diagram, I forget to label. I mean, the question itself, they never give the labeling. Soalan tak bagi. So it's a bit hard for me to guess how the labeling is. Dia sedikit susah bagi saya label. But you guys just try to understand the order of the question lah. Kamu tengok langkah saja. Jangan refer pada raja. Okay? Because the question they didn't label for you guys. Okay? So you just see the order of the step. Okay? So this is how you can solve for TQ. Sorry, TU. Okay? Boleh? Alright. So second one, they ask you to express TQ and lambda. Okay, so just now untuk soalan satu, you must use this one lah. Because they're asking you K. But now, the second one, you must use the info of lambda lah, because they ask you in term of lambda, dalam sebutan lambda. So you must just do the same concept lah. Okay, so TQ equal to TR plus RQ. This is the concept. Ini soalan dia. Alright, so then kamu gantikan information, substitute all the information you have. Okay, SP is negative AP. Okay, kamu boleh dapat yang ni. And then what else? Okay, SR. SR dah diberi. K is given already. SR is pi Q. So you just substitute. Ganti semua saja. Okay, and then the TQ, the ratio you can get from here. Okay, so TQ is 3. Am I right? TQ akan ambil 3 bahagian. Okay? Wait sorry, 4 bahagian. 4 bahagian. Okay, TQ. Alright? So its TQ is 4. Boleh? So you will get 4/3 of TU. Okay? Over here is a bit hard for me to explain because the diagram they never label. Okay, hopefully you guys can understand lah. Boleh faham. Okay, because Raja dia tak label. So saya tak boleh anggap ke mana semua titik itu. Okay? Boleh ya? So you guys just see the working lah. Lihat jalan kerja saja. Sorry ya for the bad question. Soalan dia tak bagus quality punya sebab tak label. Okay, so you guys just see the process. Okay? And then the second question, they ask you to find K and lambda. Okay, so whenever they ask you to find two unknown, you must use simultaneous. Okay, buat persamaan serentak for these two equations. Alright, so you just compare the coefficient of P and Q. Bandingkan perkali bagi Q dan P. So you bandingkan these two, and also you bandingkan these two. So you can find the lambda, cari lambda. Okay, and then you can find your K value, cari nilai K. Alright, so this is how you can get the answer. Understand? Question B can understand lah. Soalan B lebih senang faham. Okay, you just use your answer in 1 and 2. Okay, because both of it is TU. So you can say 1 equal to 2. Satu sama dengan 2. Alright? Okay? Can understand guys? Soalan 10. Sorry ya for the bad question just now. Soalan tak bagus tadi. Okay, but hopefully you guys can understand lah. Okay? Alright. So now, soalan 11, question 11. Okay, so for question 11, they ask you determine the shortest distance. Okay, this one I can tell lah. W is on top and then XY is like this. Okay? So they want you to find the shortest distance. So guys, shortest distance mean what? May I know? Kamu kena tahu ni guys. Keyword and maths. Jarak terpendek tu merujuk kuantiti apa? Which one? Always admaths will use this one. Shortest distance. So anyone? What does it represent? Cuba teka. Dia mewakili apa? Yes. Remember guys, selalu kena ingat. Shortest distance is always your height. Okay, jarak terpendek adalah ketinggian. So basically question is ask you find the height lah. Cari ketinggian. So how? You can use the Pythagoras theorem. So nilai ni kamu bagi 2. So that you just focus on one triangle. So you just take square root 2/7 plus 5 square minus nilai yang tu. Okay, minus 5/7 minus 10 over 2 square. Okay, this whole thing is under the square root. Okay, something like this. Boleh? Do you guys see it? So then you just need to solve for the answer. Selesaikan saja. Okay, so make sure you give your answer in this format. Okay, kena bagi jawapan macam tu. Alright, so how we do it? Okay, so basically, this one, we can expand. Kembangkan macam kuadratik. Okay, so when you expand, first term square minus, okay, the power you times inside. Bawah masuk. Okay, so you will get like this, plus 10 square. 10 kuasa 2. So this is what you get after expansion. Boleh faham kan guys? Macam mana saya kembangkan jadi macam ni. Do you guys get it? This one is your quadratic lah guys. Okay, same concept. Like how you expand x plus 5 square. Macam mana kamu kembangkan yang ni? X square plus 2 5x plus 5 square. Same concept macam atas. Okay? Can get it? So then you just expand lah, kembangkan, and then combine them to form one fraction. Okay, kamu gabungkan dua ni bentuk satu pecahan tunggal. So you just need to make the denominator same. Bagi penyebut pecahan tu sama. Alright? So this one you need to times by 4 because 4 at the bottom. So kalau kamu kali 4, you will get this answer. Dapat jawapan ni. Okay? And then simplify. Okay, simplify until you can get the answer like this. Okay, permudahkan sampai macam ni. Alright? Do you guys understand? Boleh dapat soalan ni? Can, right? Over here, you need to factorize out. Kamu kena faktorkan 9 kalau tak silap. Okay, you must factorize out 9. Okay, because negative 7 plus 20 third 7. And then over 4 square root. So guys, square root 9 over 4, kamu akan dapat 3/2. So this is how you get 3/2 over here. Boleh dapat? Satu atau dua guys. Lama tak nampak nombor. 1 or 2. Can, right? So this is how you get the answer. 3/2 third negative 7 plus 20 third 7. Okay? Alright. Continue. Okay, last question for section A. Okay, soalan terakhir bahagian A. Okay, for number 12, we are talking about probability, kebarangkalian. Form 5, chapter 5. Okay, so this one they are talking about exam marks. Okay, markah peperiksaan. Okay, so they tell you the mean is 92.3, variance is 90.35. Guys, for a fun fact lah, I sit for this examination just only. Saya baru saja duduki peperiksaan ni. Fun fact lah for you guys. Cambridge A-level exam. Pernah dengar yang ni guys? Pernah dengar peperiksaan ni? I think you guys got here, right? This is pre-U program. Saya baru habis exam yang ni. So it is close to my heart lah. Dia adalah satu peperiksaan yang dekat dengan saya. So that's why I share to you guys. Kalau kamu nak, kamu ambil jugalah exam ni lepas SPM kamu. Alright? Boleh cuba. Try and see. Konsep dia sama macam SPM saja. A lot of exam. Ada banyak peperiksaan dalam course ni. Lebih kepada peperiksaan berbanding coursework. So kamu study sajalah. Just focus on study only this exam. A level. Okay? Why? You guys don't like tak suka ke? Okay, never mind. Later we discuss that one. We solve the question first. Okay, so they say mean 92.3. Wow, very good. The mark very high. Maka mereka semua tinggi. 90.35 variance. So usually guys, when you sit for this exam, biasanya orang yang bagus saja akan duduki peperiksaan ni. So that's why kamu boleh dapat mean markah yang sangat tinggi. Kamu lihat soalan lah. The mean, you know, average markah semua orang di dunia 92.3 tau. Maksudnya kamu boleh bayangkan lah apa kaliber calon yang duduk soalan peperiksaan ni. Mean, you know, this one is not highest mark. Yang ni bukan markah tertinggi. Purata saja. Purata pun dah 92.3. So maksudnya markah tertinggi kamu jangka apa guys? Confirm lebih tinggi lah daripada 92. So I hopefully this question is correct lah. Saya harap apa yang mereka kongsi kat sini betul lah. Okay, I think should be correct. Okay, so now guys, markah minimum untuk lulus 80 Yang ni salah. This one wrong guys. This statement is wrong Markah minimum untuk lulus bukan 80, jangan risau. Okay, this one confirm wrong. This one markah minimum untuk dapat A. Yang tu baru betul. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so they want you to find the probability a student score more than 95 marks. Minimum dia 79 ke? Bergantung pada tahun. Dia macam SPM guys. SPM setiap kali grade berubah kan? Sama macam ni. Kamu tak boleh kata ada satu grade untuk satu subjek. Dia akan berubah ikut kesusahan kertas. It changes according to difficulty. So all the information shared here is maybe for 1 year only. 1 tahun saja. Tahun berikutnya dia akan ubah. It will change. Okay? Alright. So now they want you to find PX greater than 95. Lebih besar. Okay, so this one is normal. Am I right? Tabuhan normal. So you guys just need to take minus 92.3 bahagi square root 90.35. So you find Z score. Okay, so then kamu hanya perlu rujuk jadual lah. Just refer your normal table. Okay, so 0.284. Boleh rujuk jadual dah. Okay, so I show you once lah. Saya tunjuk satu kali macam mana guna jadual. Okay, so 0.284. 28. Okay, so yang ni and then 4. Okay, so you will take 0.3897 minus 0.0015. So ini adalah langkah kira dia. So you will get this one. Okay, this one. Okay, 0.3897 minus 0.0015. Boleh? So this is your final answer lah. Itu saja. Senang kan? Very simple, right? Soalan A. Next one. They say number of student who fail. Bilangan orang yang gagal. Okay, so how to count that? Macam mana nak kira? Okay, think and see guys. Okay, whenever you want to find the number of student fail, kamu kena cari kebarangkalian dia dulu. Am I right? You must find the probability the student fail. So when the student fail, bila markah dia kurang daripada 80. Am I right? So you just need to find probability X less than 80 lah. So this is the probability student fail. Orang tu gagal. That's all. Okay, but over here, skema dia bagi lain. It give you a different approach. Dia cuba cari kebarangkalian lulus dulu. Okay, they find the probability you pass. Okay, then you take 1 minus jawapan untuk cari kebarangkalian orang gagal. Yang ni pun boleh. This concept also can. Tapi kalau kamu nak straightforward, kamu cari yang ni saja. Just solve this one, kamu akan dapat jawapan yang ni. Okay, yang ni sama dengan yang ni. Boleh faham? Dia adalah bertentangan lah, opposite. Greater than 80, probability 0.9022. Less than 80, 1 minus 0.9022. Okay, because total kebarangkalian kena satu jumlah. Okay, then you just times the number of people. Kali bilangan orang, you can get the number of student who fail. Okay, cari bilangan orang gagal. Okay, do you guys understand? Boleh faham soalan ni? Again, same concept lah. This one you refer your normal table. Tengok jadual. Alright, and always make sure your sign is pointing to the right. Simbol ketaksaman selalunya ke kanan dalam admaths. Tak boleh ke kiri. Kalau kamu nak baca jadual, selalunya ke kanan. Alright, you must point to the right. And then score Z kena positif. You must always have positive Z score. Okay, understand? Boleh sambung lagi? 20 of you guys here. Can we continue some more? Can Boleh sambung lagi ke tak? Now it's bahagian B, section B. Okay, section B kamu semua pilih 2 soalan saja bagi saya. Sebab kena jawab 2 saja. Okay, so you guys choose and see. This is question 13, coordinate geometry. Question 14, differentiation, pembezaan. Question 15, system of equation, sistem persamaan. So you guys want which one? Comment. Kamu nak 2 soalan mana untuk yang ni? Coordinate geometry and different. People say 13. I follow majority ya. Okay, sama-sama. Lagi orang. Kamu kena bagi tahu 2 soalan kat saya. 13, 14. Okay, sada. 13, 14, 13. Wah, semua kombinasi ada. Okay, majority say 13, 14 Okay lah, I feel soalan 15 senang kan. Sistem persamaan saja. Okay, so we do 13, 14 lah. Okay, question 15 very direct. Okay, so for question 13, they ask you to find the equation of perpendicular bisector of PR. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, first step, you must find the gradient lah for PR. Okay, cari kecerunan PR. Okay, so you'll just take 3 minus negative 1 over 3 minus negative 5. Okay, so your gradient will get 1 over 2, 1/2. Okay, so now, may I know, what is the gradient for your perpendicular bisector? Apa kecerunan pembagi serenjang kamu? Kalau PR tu 1/2, yes, you use M1 times M2 equal negative 1. So means that M2 is equal to negative 2. Am I right? Dua ni darab, kamu akan dapat negative 1. Yes. Okay, then what is another point you must find if you want to find the perpendicular bisector? Apa satu lagi titik kamu kena cari bagi soalan A? So you must picture and see. Perpendicular bisector means that it cut over here. Yes, you must find the midpoint, guys. Okay, ini adalah pembagi serenjang. Dia akan melalui titik tengah, midpoint. So you must find the midpoint lah. Guna rumus midpoint. Okay, so you just take 3 plus negative 5 over 2, and then coordinate y, 3 plus negative 1 bagi 2. So this is your midpoint, titik tengah. Then you can form the equation, bentukan persamaan. Okay, so when you form equation, y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1. Okay, so ini adalah persamaan dia. Boleh? Do you guys understand? So you should get the answer something like this. Okay, ini jawapan dia. Alright? Okay, I think this one quite easy lah. Senang untuk kamu. Okay, for question B, they ask you to find coordinate Q and S. Okay, so they say Q is equidistant, okay, from points P and R. Okay, so equidistant mean what? May I know? Equidistant means same distance. Am I right? So you can form the equation. Am I right? Kamu boleh bentukkan persamaan. Okay, so what is the equation? PQ equal to PR. Am I right? Ini adalah persamaan yang kamu akan dapat. Okay, so this one is your locus. Am I right? Locus equation, persamaan locus. So you just need to use your distance formula. Okay, so coordinate Q. Kita tak ada coordinate Q. Okay, so kamu buat anggapan sajalah. You must just make an assumption. Okay? Yes. Yeah, you can use XY. Correct. Okay, so it really depends on you lah. Okay, how you want to label. Okay, so for PQ, wait, let me see first. Okay, guys. Actually, right, coordinate Q, you guys can find it. Okay, kamu boleh cari coordinate Q. Okay, how? Because since they say Q is equidistant from P and R, you have coordinate P, you have coordinate R. Am I right? So you can actually find coordinate Q. Kamu boleh cari coordinate Q. Okay, how? Actually, if you guys draw the perpendicular bisector, right? Kalau kamu lukis dia dengan betul, it will actually pass through point Q. Okay, dia akan melalui titik Q, the perpendicular bisector of QR. Because they say Q is equidistant from P and R. So means that perpendicular bisector, it should actually be same distance. Dua ni kena jarak sama. Tapi bila saya lukis kat sini tak nampak lah. You don't see it because I never use scale. Saya tak guna skala. So you just need to use the statement. Guna pernyataan ni saja. Alright? So you try to count the distance and see. So this distance should be same as this distance. Okay, so you try and see. So you should actually get 5. Kamu akan dapat 5. 0, negative 1. Coordinate Q. Okay? Alright. So now, let me see. Wait, guys. Let me see this one. Okay. This one, right? I think saya rasa yang ni sebenarnya coordinate S. Okay, I think there's a typo here. This one is supposed to be S. Okay? Mereka maksudkan coordinate S. Okay, you cannot say Q. Okay, because the equation they form actually is PS equal to PR. Wait guys. Saya kena nampak sekali lagi. Give me some time. Wait guys. The question also a bit confusing. PORS. Wait guys, for a while. Okay, I think you guys just assume PQ equal to PS lah. Very easy. Okay, lebih senang. Because the question here a bit confusing. This one not from any state. This one is a random paper. My friend did. Satu soalan lawak saja. Yang ni bukan soalan trial guys. It's just a random paper. But follow SPM format lah. So there might be some errors. Okay, akan ada sedikit silap lah sana sini. Okay, so hopefully you guys understand lah. Okay, so you just make the assumption lah guys over here. The question not so clear. Dia tak sangat jelas. Okay, you just assume PQ equal to PS. And you try to form the equation bentuk persamaan. Okay, because they want you to find the coordinate Q and S. Mereka nak kamu cari yang ni. So S, you can make it as unknown lah, because we don't know the S. Kita tak tahu. Okay, so you can already start to do your locus. Okay, so locus, you use this formula lah. X2 minus X1 square plus Y2 minus Y1 square. Ini persamaan locus. So kamu buat persamaan lah. Okay, you just do your equation. Okay, you can see over here. So you form the locus equation, persamaan locus, and then you also have the second equation. Am I right? So you can actually solve simultaneous. Okay, buat persamaan serentak so that you can find your xy, which is your coordinate S. So you can see here lah. So you will actually get coordinate S is negative 2, 3. Negative 2, 3. Okay? Boleh? Can you guys understand? So just solve this equation. Okay, this one they never tell you clearly in the question. Mereka tak bagi tahu ni dengan jelas. So you just assume the question tell you lah like that. Kamu anggap saja. Okay, because the question not so clear. Alright? Okay. So next one, they ask you to find the area of rhombus. Okay, so rhombus is PQRS, if not mistaken. Yes. Okay, PQRS. Okay, so rhombus, how to find guys? You must use the formula lah, half modulus. Okay, so coordinate P. Sorry, this one is coordinate. What is it? I also forget already. R. Okay, coordinate R. And then you continue. Okay, coordinate Q. And then coordinate P, coordinate S, coordinate R. So all the 4 point. Keempat titik. Alright. This one's supposed to be Q. Alright. Can you guys get it? So you just solve this equation lah. Selesaikan saja. Okay, so how to solve this guys? Remember, you must use the shoelace method. Guna kaedah ikat kasut. Okay, bottom times with top. Sorry, top times bottom minus bottom times top. So you just solve lah. Half modulus, negative 5, negative 1. Then you continue lah. Plus 9, minus 2, minus sambung. Okay, you guys know how to solve this, right? Boleh selesaikan yang ni kan? Okay, minus 0, minus 3, minus 6, minus 15. Press calculator. Dapat jawapan. Okay? Alright. So you will get 20. Okay, better if you guys write the unit. Lebih bagus kalau tulis unit square. Okay? So this is the answer. Understand guys? Question 13. Boleh faham? Soalan 13. You guys so quiet. Sangat senyap. Faham Okay, so we come to the last question. Soalan terakhir bagi hari ini. Okay, you guys tired Kamu semua letih ke? So silent. I feel you guys a lot lah. You guys so silent, I feel like you guys got no motivation already. Is it? Kamu semua tak ada motivasi, sangat senyap. Masih ada Hopefully you guys still got motivation. Got Okay Okay, thank you very much lah. You guys share to me. At least kamu kongsi, I know how you guys feeling. Am I right? Okay, come. Last question. NS don't need motivation. Means that self-motivation. Termotivasi secara sendiri. Masih energy walaupun sakit. Sakit apa? What sakit you guys have? Sakit mental lah. Ayo. Guys, I also sakit mental now. No need motivation, need brain. Sakit jiwa. Wah, sakit jiwa why? Because hilang girlfriend, is it? This one confirm the case of hilang girlfriend one. Kena bantai at match. Yes, you must be spirit lah. What is it? Sakit hati. Ayo, enough lah. Later after SPM we meet. Okay, guys, focus here. Last question. Then we check. Okay, so they ask you to show the area of remaining water. Luas permukaan air yang tinggal. Okay, so basically you must use the formula lah. Okay, this is a hemisphere. Ini adalah hemisphere lah. Boleh nampak? This is hemisphere. Half of a sphere. Janganlah kata macam tu. And then this one is a cylinder. Am I right? This is cylinder. So how do we find the volume of water? Volume of remaining water. Isi padu air tinggal. You just take the cylinder. Okay, ambil cylinder ni minus hemisphere. So you will get to see the volume of remaining water. Okay, isi padu air yang tinggal. Boleh? Okay, because they say this one. Can you see this? It is actually buoyed up. Okay, buoyed up basically means what to say? Buoyant force. Kamu semua tahu kan daya apungan. This is what they are talking about here. Terangkat oleh sebuah. Ayo, I talk about buoyant force. You guys think I'm amali already? Ayo, you guys yeah, 2 more days. 2 lagi hari. Good luck Okay. So they say the sphera logam isi padu 45 meter cube. 45. Okay, so how to find? You just need to use the formula. Okay, so they tell you cylinder 60, hemisphere 45. So how to find the remainder? You just take 60 minus 45. Am I right? So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 over 3 pi r cube. Guys, remember volume hemisfera adalah setengah bagi volume sfera. So that's how kita dapat pi r 2 over 3 pi r cube. This is volume for hemisphere. Okay? So you just need to solve for H. Okay, kamu selesaikan untuk H sebab jawapan tak nampak H kan? You guys don't see a H term in your answer. Means that you must express H over here. Kamu kena ungkapkan H dalam sebutan lain. So that in the area time, you can substitute. Kamu boleh gantikan apa-apa H dengan R. That's the concept here. Alright? Okay. So after you express, you guys should get something like this. This one. Okay? After expressing, selepas ungkapkan. Okay, then your area. How to know what's the area, guys? Okay, you can see the diagram. Okay, so the area is actually a circle plus cylinder. Am I right? Because you are taking the volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. Wait, Sada, guys. This is cylinder and then minus hemisphere. Hemisphere adalah yang ni lah. This one. Okay, this is your hemisphere. Boleh? So you actually get the volume of cylinder. Okay, kamu dapat isi padu cylinder. So you just need to use the area. Okay, so area is equal to what? 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh for cylinder. Surface area of cylinder. Isi padu cylinder. And then you also have a circle. Okay, kamu ada satu bulatan juga. Okay, where is the circle? Okay, actually over here, they overlap. Am I right? Can you guys see the two circle overlap? This is a cylinder and this is also for the hemisphere. So it's an overlap. That's why you need to plus pi r square. Okay? So then you'll be able to get the answer. Boleh dapat jawapan. Alright? So you just substitute your H, gantikan H with this one. So you get this one. Then you just expand. Kembangkan macam biasa until you can show the answer. Boleh? Senang kan? Easy, right? You guys get the concept? Can or not? Boleh ke tak, guys? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? 1, Okay. So continue. B1. Okay, so for B1, you just need to differentiate lah. Okay, they say nilai bagi J kalau A pogon. Okay, so A is stationary. Means that you must find dA over dr. So you just differentiate this equation, bagi persamaan, bezakan persamaan. Okay, so when you differentiate, you get this one, equal to 0, sama dengan kosong, find your R value. cari nilai R. Okay, so over here, you can actually cross multiply. Okay, you get 26 over 3 pi R equal to 30 over R square. So you just cross multiply. You will get this equation. So then just solve for R. Selesaikan untuk R, you will get this answer. Okay, and then they ask you to check and see, is A maximum or minimum? So guys, may I know maximum or minimum? How to find? What we must do to show whether it's maximum or minimum? Kita kena buat apa? May I know? No. Yes. Second derivative. d2a over dr square. You need to differentiate the equation second time. This one. Second time. So when you differentiate second time, you get this one. Kamu dapat yang ni. So you just need to substitute the R value that you got. This one inside the equation, find the answer. So it's greater than 0 means it's minimum. Am I right? Kalau lebih besar dari kosong, peringkat kedua pembezaan means that minimum point lah. Titik minimum. So that's why you can say it's a minimum. Okay, you must find the area also. Kamu kena cari luas. So you just substitute 1.033 inside the answer here. Gantikan kat dalam. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay guys, do you understand? Today lesson, kita dah habis seluruh kertas satu. We complete tadi. Okay, one or two guys. Come on. Satu atau dua. Does it help? Bantu kamu? Hopefully it helped lah today, the lesson. Okay, harap membantu lah. Okay, hopefully lah. Although you guys tired, I can see